Hi guys, in this video I will show you a number series and PEL in Excel. So here we can see that I have entered 1 and then I have dragged this like so it give only 1 and I have changed this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So for this we have first select the numbers like this and go to PEL. Here we can see that and click series, and here we can click column, and then here we can select the linear and then OK. Here we can see that they are changed automatically 1 2 3 up to 10. When I have put here 2 and then the next cell I have put 4 and then I have select these two number and drag this, so it give a number like 2 4 6 8 10, mean that the two table give two table. And when I have select these two numbers are two columns, so and then I have drag like this, go to right side and then here, so here we can see that they are go to 1 up to 10 table. Like here we can see this is a 1 table, this is a 2 table, this is a 3 table, this is a 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 table. We have also increased this up to 100 up to 200 table, and this they are give perfect and correct value. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.